how to sell personalized recipe books on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own product using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products to buy from, and there are a lot of sellers making a lot of money behind these products. So for example, let's check one of these product pages, like this one, for example. Let's choose this one, for example. So guys, this page in Etsy.com, we call it a shop page. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you how you can set a shop page exactly like this one for your products. How to add the details, the photos, the video if you have any, and all of that. Also, I'm going to show you how you can add the description, the options, the item details, and how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's go back to the main page. Let's close this one. Here, go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. Here we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. Then comes choosing a name for your shop. Then you will stock your shop with the photos and details. Then you will choose how you get paid. You set up your payment processors. Then you end up with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And here we choose a name for the product or the shop name. So here we remove the spaces between words and we shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. So let's see what we can remove. Let's remove personalized, and here the name is already taken. Let's add a number, and here it is. The name is now unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here, before adding the photos and details, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill in this step. So here, as you can see, we have the photos first. We'll need at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. Again, we will need to enter the price. Then comes the listing details, where we will need to fill all of these red fields with the right information or details. Then we have the shipping, and the same thing as well. We will need to fill all of these red fields with the right information. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can, so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all the options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Then crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title of the product. Then we answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here, just choose one of these categories. So for example, I'm going to choose the first one or the second one, the cookbooks. Then we have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Then we have the secondary color. Then you choose the renewal option that you want. If you want the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want the manual, which is free. Then you have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. So I'm just going to leave it in physical. Then we have the description. So guys, in order to give your product a good description, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If there are any, you can add them in here. Then here we have the section tags and materials, and all of them are optional, so I'm just going to skip them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, this is an example for the price. Then you have the domestic and global pricing. If you want to enter 2 prices, one for your home country and one for everywhere else. So let's say, for example, let's change it in here. Let's make it like this. So this is an example. Then you have the quantity. You can enter it in here, and the SKU if you have one. Then we have the shipping. So here, as I said in the beginning, just make sure to fill this with the right information. Then you choose the return and exchanges policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.